The tools required include a cordless drill with a 5/16" bit and a 7/16" driver. The drill will need an adjustable clutch. We will also be using a circular saw with an attached guide, a drilling jig, a come-along strap, alignment pins, a caulk gun, the BlueDuct sealant, 3-inch stainless steel nuts and bolts, safety glasses, and a utility knife.
Be sure to review the CAD drawing for your project to ensure proper system layout and assembly. AQC Industries provides CAD drawings of the BlueDuct underground duct system. The CAD drawings are interpreted from the engineer's drawing as a recommendation of the materials needed to complete our system. Please consult with the engineer and other trade professionals before proceeding with the installation. Also, please verify that any needed elevation changes are properly documented on the drawing.
AQC Industries requires all installing contractors to be properly trained. In addition to online training, we offer 2 free training webinars each month.